Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your monthly love tarot reading, guys, for the month of July. So, we will be picking cards for your energies and for your person's energies, guys. So, first, for your energies, we will be picking these cards, guys. So, this will be what you feel about this relationship, or what is your stance in this relationship, and what will be your situation in this relationship for the month of July. So these cards, I will leave these cards here. These cards are for your person, what they feel, or what will be the future for them in this relationship. So let's start with the cards we have picked for you guys. So we have 3 of Cups in reverse, 6 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So with these cards, guys, for y'all Gemini, for the month of July, maybe there are some things quite confusing for you, something not what to say, you do not have clarity maybe on certain things. There are some things obstructing your vision or the way you perceive. So you lack clarity on certain things, and you may have some doubt or some confusion when you need to make some decision maybe in your relationship. Some maybe some circumstances may unfold in your situation. Maybe there are friends or your family members, someone coming to help you, someone you rely on and you trust, and this person or these people are going to help you find that understanding, guys. So something needs to be cleared, some clarity needs to be had maybe. So maybe for some of you there may be some stressful circumstances over the month, but you need not worry, guys, because I see that you are someone who is very friendly, Gemini, and even this person, they are what to say, friendly, and they love you. But there are some situation, some circumstances where you may lack that understanding. But your friendliness and your loving and caring nature is going to help you out in those stressful times. So you are going to come out of it, come out without any difficulty, guys. You are going to find that understanding. And you are someone who is dedicated and a very friendly person. That again may be the reason that whatever troubles you may see in your relationship, you are just going to go with that smile and that friendly nature of yours and pacify this person you love. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. So Gemini, if you have some arguments or fights or whatever it is, you are going to deal it in a friendly manner, guys. So you are going to be their first friend, only then the person they love. So this friendly attitude is going to avoid a lot of difficult and stressful circumstances in your relationship. So, this may be your energy or their energy towards you. Maybe for some of you, Gemini, if you are in separation right now, if you are in what to say, breakup, and you are uh, not in talking terms with this person, I see that your situation or your problems are resolving, guys, and you are going for reconciliation. Maybe this person will come, they will make amends, tell sorry, and try to patch up things, or you will move forward. If it is your mistake, you are going to go and tell them sorry and patch up things in this relationship, Gemini. So that is also what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the card for their energy, guys. So we will keep these cards here. We will open these cards what we picked for your person. So we have Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Four of Swords in reverse, Star in reverse, and King of Wands. So we have Queen of Wands here and King of Wands here in the same reading, guys. So it just means that you are made for each other no matter what your situation is. You have a great compatibility with each other, guys, and things are going to go perfectly. Things are going to go perfectly in the right way. Maybe you may not expect it, but that is what is happening in your relationship, guys. And this person you love, they know how to handle any stressful situation. So they don't want to create more problems. They just want peace and happiness, guys. Prosperity. They want happiness with you and they love you. And that may be the reason we see this person quite friendly and they just want a harmonious relationship. And they are someone who is very a generous person, honest. They are also honest just like you. So they want to be truthful to you, and in their heart of hearts they truly love you. That may be the reason even they do not want to create any problems or create any negative circumstance for you and for them in this relationship, guys. And they are wise enough, so they do not want to let you off or let you go. Maybe if you are in a separation or even if you are going through a rough patch in this relationship, they will try their best to make amends, guys, do their best to pacify you, to patch up things, because that is what I see with these cards. They are also in love with you deeply and they want this relationship to work. And they have high hopes for this relationship. They have faith and hopes for a brighter future in this connection, guys, with this connection with you. So they see their life with you and they are planning their life with you. Maybe on certain things they were quite arrogant. They dealt with few circumstances arrogantly, but they are truly regretting it, regretting whatever they did. So they do not want to repeat it anymore in this relationship, guys. So friendly nature, kindness, compassion and reconciliation is what I see for y'all Gemini for the month of July. So that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more readings in this channel. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. Thank you, Gemini. Bye, guys.